एवरीवन। आज से मैं आप लोगों के लिए एक नई सीरीज़ लेके आया हूँ जो कि ये जो हमारा इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है उसके सारे आर्टिकल्स अराउंड 400 आर्टिकल्स हैं। उसको हम लोग इस लेक्चर सीरीज़ में देखेंगे और क्या खास होगा इसमें। देखिए, जितने भी आर्टिकल्स हैं उस हर आर्टिकल का एक वीडियो होगा, और मे भी अगर छोटे आर्टिकल्स हैं तो एक से दो एक वीडियो में 2-3 आर्टिकल्स भी हो सकते हैं। ओके, एंड दिस विल नॉट बी अ वेरी लॉन्ग वीडियो, दिस विल बी अ शॉर्ट काइंड ऑफ वीडियो. Okay, so we'll deal article to article, and the best part is that this is not taken from any of the book, this is directly taken from the Indian Constitution itself. Okay, so Ministry of Law, the PDF given on the Ministry of Law, from there I have taken. Okay, so if you want to read that PDF, you can read that, but what is the problem with that? If you're reading the whole 400 pages Indian Constitution, then it is very difficult to remember all. Okay, so I will cover all the articles one by one with 1 or 2 videos, depends on the length of the article. Okay, so those who are preparing for civil services examination like UPSC or the state PCS examinations, whether it is UP PCS or MP PCS, whatever PCS you are targeting for, especially for MCQs, this will be very, very helpful. Obviously, if you remember the article, what is given in the article, what is written in the article, so you can quote in the mains itself, that is not a problem. But especially for the prelims examination, they directly ask what is given in this particular article. For example, article 110 deals with, so it is dealing with money bill. So something like that. Okay, so especially for prelims this will be very, very important, and obviously for the mains also this will be helpful. Okay, so yeah, so from today I'm going to start with the very first thing which is given is the preamble. Okay, so this is also is the part of our Indian Constitution. Okay, don't say it is not a part of Indian Constitution. Sometime in the statement kind of problems they will mention the preamble is not the part of our constitution, but no, it is a part of constitution. Anyway, we'll see what is the preamble. Okay, so you can read here, something is written, we'll read, and I will suggest you please memorize the preamble. Okay, because this will be very, very helpful for when we are writing the mains examinations. Okay, so you can directly quote whatever given in the preamble itself. Okay, whether it is question from justice, liberty, equality, so you can quote the statement given in the preamble itself. Okay, so we'll read that. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, to secure all its citizens. Okay, so like we the people of India, like ourselves, we have given this constitution to ourselves, which is given in the next slide, which is written in the next slide. We'll see that. Okay, so having solemnly resolved to constitute into the sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic. Okay, and to secure all its citizens. Okay, so with these things, what we have to secure to all its citizens. Okay, so the first is the justice. Okay, justice of social, economic, political. Okay, so justice of these three kind. It can be social, it can be economic, and it can be political. Similarly, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship. Okay, so liberty of these four things. Okay, five things: liberty of thought, liberty of expression, liberty of belief, liberty of faith, liberty of worship. Okay, so this is actually these all things you will find from the fundamental rights we'll see later. Okay, so these things actually thought, expression, we have right to equality, right to profess any right to religion. So that is nothing but is related to worship. Okay, faith and worship, etc. Okay, so this is nothing but is the which is also given in the fundamental right. Next is the equality of what, of status and of opportunity. Okay, so like for example, there is UPSC examination, so like the state cannot bound to some of his Indians, so you cannot write this exam. So anyone who has graduated, he or she can write the that UPSC examination. So that is nothing but equality. It is equal for everyone. Okay, and to promote all and to promote among them all what? Okay, fraternity. Okay, like जैसे हम लोग हैं, so what we have to follow, like fraternity is something, but in Hindi we say is another meaning is brotherhood. Okay, so fraternity is nothing but assuring the dignity of individual and unity and integrity of nation. Okay, so in fraternity we have to focus on dignity of individual, obviously. Okay, जैसे कि हम लोग दो लोग दोस्त हैं, तो हमें किसी को क्रिटिसाइज, आई विल नॉट से क्रिटिसाइज, उसको इस तरीके से ट्रीट नहीं करना चाहिए कि उस पर्टिकुलर इंडिविजुअल की डिग्निटी कम हो रही हो. ओके, सो दैट इज नथिंग बट इज कॉल्ड ब्रदरहुड. ओके, सो दैट इज फ्रेटर्निटी. एंड ऑब्वियसली वी हैव टू ऑल्सो फोकस ऑन unity and integrity of nation. Okay, so these things are nothing but is the preamble. And in our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and to give ourselves this Constitution. Okay, like we Indians, we have actually given this Constitution to ourselves. ओके, कोई दूसरा, कोई ब्रिटिशर्स या कोई दूसरा हमें नहीं दिया. हम लोग ही इंडियन से कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली में बैठ के इसको बनाए हैं और खुद को दिए हैं. ठीक है, और ये किस दिन मिला था हमें? दिस 26 डे ऑफ नवंबर. ओके, 26 नवंबर 1949 को हम लोगों ने इसको अडॉप्ट किया था. उस दिन जितने भी हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली के मेंबर्स थे, ये बनने के बाद सारे लोगों ने उस पर साइन किया था. दैट डे इज नथिंग बट 26 डे ऑफ नवंबर 1949. ठीक है, ये पूरी तरीके से लागू नहीं हुआ था. ठीक है, बट वी हैव अडॉप्टेड. लागू हमारा हुआ था जो हम रिपब्लिक डे मनाते हैं तब से लागू हुआ था पूरा ये, बट वी हैव एक्चुअली अडॉप्टेड ऑन 26 डे ऑफ नवंबर 1949. ओके, देखिए, जब हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन बना था तो ये चीज़ देखिए, सोवरेन, डेमोक्रेटिक एंड रिपब्लिक एंड यूनिटी ऑफ इंटीग्रिटी, ये चार चीज़ें नहीं थी. ठीक है, तो इसको हमारा 42nd अमेंडमेंट एक्ट हुआ था 1976 में, उसमें ऐड किया गया था. दैट वाज सोवरेन, डेमोक्रेटिक, रिपब्लिक एंड यूनिटी ऑफ नेशन. सो दीज 4 terms was not given initially in the preamble, but with the 42nd Amendment Act, these 4 things have been added in our Constitution. Okay, especially in preamble. Okay, so this was nothing but preamble. I hope you like that.